Hello everyone, introduce me, First Grade Plaza, Patrick Marcel Emiliano, NPP 35.0773. I am from the city of Solo. I am 21 years old. My hobbies are martial arts and playing games. Before becoming a Praja BDN, I had studied at 11 Maret University. During my education here, I always remember my hometown, the city of Solo. The city of Solo holds many memories ranging from culinary, culture, and others. Everything is very amazing. Culinary in Solo is very delicious and diverse. Serabi Solo is one of them. You have to try it because every bite will touch the distinctive aroma of Serabi Solo with various fillings. In Solo, the people are very friendly. When you walk, you will be shown the friendliness of other pedestrians. In addition to culinary, Solo is also rich in culture such as dance and batik. There are many dance studios in the city of Solo. Currently, Solo has begun to develop since the rise of Mr. Gibran. I really like my hometown. It's beautiful, peaceful, and friendly. I hope that when I graduate, I can see Solo City even better. The roads are getting better, the infrastructure is complete, the services are integrated. That's all I want when I go back there. Thank you.